Hey guys, it's MeShell, and today I'm going to be continuing with SlimeRancher. Right, on the last episode I went ahead and reorganized all of my slimes so that way it's a little bit easier to feed them, hopefully. Now I've put all the vegetable slimes here, all of the fruit slimes over there in the cavern, and all of the meat-eating slimes as well as the puddle slime over there in the nice grassy area. I thought what I'd do first is I'd go here to my ranch and go to the 7Z Rewards Club, and I've noticed that there's an upgrade for Pioneer 1. It's 1,000 coins, I have 3,200. Purchase that. Now, technically I can upgrade again, and I might actually do that as well. I'm gonna upgrade as much as possible. I'm not actually sure what these upgrades will help me with in the long run, but I thought it'd be a little bit nicer. So I went ahead and upgraded. All of my slimes and all my plorts are over here. I could collect and make more money, but I thought what I'd show you is that go back out and explore some of the map. But before I go, I want to check these guys. Are rad slimes a natural evolution of or result of exposure to foreign matter? I've got to give him one puddle slime. I don't know. I don't know what you guys think, but yeah, I'm gonna go for it. You know what? 11 of those and one puddle slime. So let's collect 11. To be honest, it's actually kind of hard to feed these guys anyway. Alright, I've got 11. And one puddle slime. Put one back, I accidentally collected 2. And let's go ahead and give this to him. It'll be free 250 coins, but I think what I'm more interested in is actually doing these achievements, or doing these requests. There we are. I've got an oka, whatever that is. That is a fruit. I will feed the fruit to these guys because they eat everything. And I'll just feed them this too. Right, let's go out and explore some more. When I was offline doing some harvesting for some of my slimes, I noticed something. I noticed that in this cave over here, well, nice. I noticed that in this cave, this thing here activated because when I was walking back, I noticed that it was swirling. So I want to show you guys this. Just give him some food real quick. I'm not sure, to be honest. I don't know if I really want to risk it right now, but I did put a solar shield on this one in the cave. And I don't know if they need it because we are in a dark cave, but the phosphor slime does need the... what is this attachment called? The solar shield. So I put the solar shield in here even though we are in the cave. Alright, so let's go in here. And this is a new area, guys. So I've never been here before, and I'm really interested in seeing where this takes me. So let me just pull up my map to show you. Zoom out. And look, I'm right here. Now, this is a bit strange to me because this is on my map, but I've never been here before. Some artwork on the walls. This area is blocked off, but look, I can look past and see plots. Okay. This looks like something I can activate, like those calls that I received at my other side of the ranch. Some nice scenery. Another teleporter. game is really simple, but they've done a really good job though with how everything works together. This is another teleporter here. I think that's it for right now. I'm not going to activate this just yet because, in my opinion, it doesn't make much sense for me to do that when I don't even have that area unlocked. But I thought I'd show you guys, just because it was new to me, too. Not sure if I have an auto feeder. Yes, I do. Not auto feeder, plort collector. Alright, let's continue on where we left off last time. If you look in the bottom left-hand corner, I do have a slime key. Oops. I have a slime key, and there was a door last episode that I could go through, but I wanted to wait till this episode to show you guys because we were running a little bit over time. So we can go ahead and open that door today. Just give me a couple seconds and I'll get there. It is a bit of a haul right now to get to this area. There was a teleporter, and I cannot remember where that teleporter linked me up at, but it's okay. I can walk and look at some of this stuff as well. Now, what do you guys think? Should I collect some of these mutated ones? Or make mutated ones at my ranch? Not sure. Someone did mention in the comments that I can spray water at those guys. Wow. So whoever said that, thank you very much, because that helps out a lot. I didn't know that you could spray the water at those bigger ones. The ones that look like the black pumpkins. Alright, let's continue on. Made it just in time. Okay, let's go through here. Collect more water. And remember, I have to go through here. And to the left. I'll have to go through this area here, get my stamina back. There we are. Guys, I've not tested what the radiation does to me yet. Like, I haven't stood in it long enough to figure out what goes wrong, if anything does go wrong. Okay, I can't remember if it's that right there or if it's to the right. I want to say it's over here to the right. And I might be wrong. We'll see. Go down. I don't remember if it was this way or not, but we'll look together. Oh, I think it was, yeah, because I had to fly over here, then go down. Yep, go through the cave. Go up here. No, I was wrong. Okay. So it must be the other one. Let me double check. Let's see. Come back up here. Well, there's this cave right here I can go through. It's probably this one. Yes, it is. Okay, so guys, it looks like it's gonna lead me into this area here. And let me see, let me go up. This looks like one of the last areas that I can unlock. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, that's so cool. Wow, it's so green and colorful. It's a nice change from the other stuff. Like the cave is so gloomy, I hate going through that. It's like ancient. There's statues of slimes. Can I come up? Yes, I can. Just want to take a second and look around. There's something over here. It's glowing green eyes. Maybe we have to feed these statues or something. Look at that one. They're different kind of slimes, look. Blue is, yeah. Guys, look, blue is, rock slime. That's a phosphor slime, I think. And that's a rad slime, because the eyes are green, and they're green. And look, a pink slime. Oh, it is. I knew it. So it looks like they want me to put a plort in. I have to gather plorts and come back to this area. I'm not sure what slime that is. I've never seen that slime before. Look. It is. That's exactly what this is. It wants me to collect the different ones, and maybe it unlocks the store here. Because look, the pink is lit up, and the pink's in there already. So let me just see. Red, that might be boom slime. Green is rad, that's phosphor. Blue is rock. Pink plort. Wait, I thought that was phosphor. I don't know what two of these are then. Oh, this is so cool. I love it. Another key? Dang. Okay. Wow, looks like I can get up there somehow. Let's see if I can. How would I? Maybe I'm not supposed to get up there. No, I don't think I can. But it looks like I can get up there. Alright guys, let's go back because I can't really do anything in this area. Even though it is pretty cool to look at. You know, there's gotta be more of those Gordo slimes that I can look at as well too. There was that crystal slime that was poking its head through the bottom, but I don't know where the top should be then. Let's see. I've gone through this area pretty thoroughly, I believe. Yeah. Actually, I've got a rock plort. I could put that in and see if my theory is right. So there's no area over here that I can really go past. I just have to progress on the other side, maybe. It's a mean slime right there blowing up in his face. There's phosphor slime down below. I am gonna go through here. I just want to double check and see if I'm right. Put one of these plorts in. So the rock slime was over here. Yes, I am right. Look, it's glowing now. Blue and pink. The blue and pink is glowing. I will have to remember to come back here with a boom slime, phosphor slime, plort, puddle slime. So there's another slime that I'm missing then that I haven't seen yet. I wonder where that's at. I wonder where I can actually unlock next. Now, this thing on the map right here, that little thing is highlighting that takes me back home. I didn't get a chance to thoroughly explore this, so maybe I should go back and explore that little island. But first, I want to go in the daylight to make it easier to see for you guys. So let's go ahead and go back home and sleep till morning. Return to ranch. Good morning. Give you guys a vegetable. Carrots. So, look at this, guys. I got 2 plots growing now with vegetables. It'll make it easier to actually feed them. They eat everything, so just feed them everything. Let's grab this. Before I go, I'm just going to throw this food over so it can have a chance to regrow easier. Right, and I'm back, so let's go ahead and go through the teleporter. And this was the area that I went to, but I didn't get a good chance to actually look at. Pause there. Let's go over here. I want to go as thoroughly as possible through here. Make sure there's nothing hidden. Not sure what these are. I thought it looked like lava, but I think it's actually just flowers. Okay, so there's crystal slime. I'm collecting food just in case if I see a big one. In case I see... Yeah, because there's the crystal, guys, that I have to feed. But, to be honest, I'm not really sure how to get to it, because that's its butt. See, I'm up here. There's its butt. Right there. Is there a way up somewhere that I just don't see? I'm gonna go back over here. That's where I came in. Now it looks like I need to be able to get on top of there, but I'm not quite sure how. Because I can't certainly fly up that high. Let me try going to the right. Okay, there is a ramp. Those boom slimes are jerks. Get away from those. Treasure pod. Still haven't figured out how to unlock those. Fruits and vegetables down there, I'm gonna go for them. A chicken nest. Those slimes just fell off the edge. Oh, I thought that was something else. Right. Got the fruit down here. Let's go up here. Fly across. A chicken. Alright, Crystal eats vegetables. I love the onions. Let's feed her all these carrots. Hopefully it pops. Not quite. Needs a little bit more. Maybe these 8 will do it. Yep, there we go. Another key. Wow, look at that. The hole to the bottom opened up. Got a key. So I can open that one door back there, guys. Back at that other area. Let me just continue on, make sure there's nothing else. And I did collect up some rad plorts, if you guys see that, while I was on my way back, because I was thinking that I would go over there and pop those in. If I did happen to cross paths over there. Some crystal slime down there going crazy. Lots of nests, but there's just one chick. One little stony chick. Okay, let's continue. Keep going. Wow, these guys are really building up. Be as thorough as possible. Something hiding around the corner? Yes, there is. There's always some... Look, guys, there's always something hiding around the corner in this game. Even over there as well, too, I bet. I'm gonna check back this way a little bit. Nothing that direction. But maybe something up here. No, I can't reach that. But there might be something over here. Let's see. Oh, I can get up on this ledge here. And it looks like that's the hole in the ground. I don't know if I'm really supposed to be up here. Don't think I am. I'm gonna go back. I think I might have gone to an area on the map that I'm really not supposed to go to. Right, so this area here... Gosh, you'd never be able to tell without going high. So nervous right now. Just make sure I'm holding space. This is a treasure pod. Place to grow vegetables. Is that really it? Just a treasure pod? Like a little treasure pod? Yeah. It's well hidden though, I will say that. Oh, let me check the map, see where I am. So I'm at the top. There is an island to the north, but to be honest, I don't even know if I can fly there. And I don't want to take the risk yet. Let us go back home. Okay. Well, not home, but let's go back to that area where that key was. And that door, because I am going to open that area. Okay, some money. Another treasure pod. Let's go over. I've got a crystal plort and a rad plort. I wish I would have gotten a boom slime one. Ooh. Let's fly over these. If I see a boom slime somewhere around here, I'll grab it. The plort, I mean. Right, so I go across here. I'm collecting these guys just in case if I do see any more of those big Gordo slimes. I keep going the wrong way. Out of stamina. Alright, let's get out of here. These poor chickens. Okay, let's go through here. Right? Is this the right way? I can't remember now. I seriously can't remember now. Wow, okay. I'm gonna say it is. No, it wasn't. wasn't the right way. I went the wrong way. Right, and I found the way back. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to that area where I opened the door for that big door with all the slime plorts. Now on the way back there were boom slimes and I did take one of their plorts. So go over here to the right. And let's go ahead and find the different slimes that I can do this with. I'm not sure what this one is. But there's one up there and that's for the green. Uh-oh. I think I need to be closer. Let's jump up here. There we go. Yep, there we go. And look, green door open, or green light is on. So I just need red. Crystal is somewhere around here. Where did I see crystal? Where did I see you? That's phosphor. That's that one. Let me try this. Maybe boom? Nope. Let's see. That one's definitely phosphor. There's no question about that. It's got wings. I'm really not sure with this one. Not that one. Not crystal. Where are you, buddy? There's red. The noise he makes, the little hat. Right, so there's red. Where is crystal hiding? That's the question. Because crystal has to be here somewhere. Let's see, not to the left. Not in the middle. It's gotta be towards the right. Yep. Hey, that's a tabby plort there. Maybe it's not even crystal that I need. Let me see. One's definitely tabby. That's tabby, guys. That's the white one. But I feel like that should be crystal. And that might be a new slime that I don't have. That's 3. There's 1 over here. 2 right there. Where are you, number 3? Number 3. Well, I definitely don't need these, so let's get rid of those. You know what, guys? Let's unlock this door. And let's see where we're going on the map. So now I'm going down here. I'm on the other side. I've got it. Oop. Take one of those. Thank you very much. Now, let's put that tabby plort with these guys over here. Ah, that's so funny. Alright. Phosphor. Oh, I feel like an idiot. Okay. So I don't need that plort anymore. You guys are probably like, those were expensive plorts. Yes, they are, but I can get more. Plus, I want to explore. In fact, I might even be able to open that door today. If I can find some more phosphor. Because they come out at night. Wow, this looks awesome. Don't know if I'm supposed to be up here, but I am. Oh, there's phosphor right there. I've got their plort. I'm going back. I don't even care about this new area. I just want to see what this big door holds. Nah. Alright, let's go back through here. Alright, I don't care about that. Ooh, it's colorful in here. I like it a lot, guys. Everything has a bizarre color in here, though, like it's dead or something. Maybe it's because it's dark. Go through the bottom here. Okay. Someone's comment to put water on these guys, so I will. Very good. Oh, and it kills them. Good. Ah, get out! There we go. That's so much nicer, guys. Thank you for showing me that. Puddle slime. Chicken nest. What else? Some berries. Alright, let's go over here. Pause here. It's really not that much to read, though. Just checking out my map and see what I have. Okay. So, it looks like I can progress either right or through this tunnel, and I'm gonna go through the tunnel first. Never mind. I can't go through the tunnel. Never mind. So it looks like I'm going through here. Little tree stump. Come on. I like it. It's got a cool look, this area does. Another little treasure pod. A danger zone. But let's look here first. A new chicken! New chickens! A briar hen. A real wild bird loves to ramble in the bramble. Okay. Where'd that little chick go? It's a chickadoo. The mushrooms look really cool in this part. Alright, another thing to look at. Pause here if you want to read. What's this? Yarn ball, a slime toy. Is the cat following me? I think it's the cat's toy. Oh, I'm gonna have to come back for that later. I don't want to spend all episode though, like, holding that and making that noise, so you guys have to listen to that. I'll do it later. And there must be teleporters over here as well somewhere. So this branches off again to the left and to the right, so I need to remember to come back here. New slime, new slime. A honey slime. These are the plorts, guys, for the last door. Hey! Pink honey largo. Very cool. I'm gonna take another honey slime. Another briar hen. Briar baby chicks. I can fly over there. Ooh. A hunter slime! Oh! Oh! That's new, guys! Never mind the rabbit, have you seen any chickens? Aw, I got a hunter slime. Is that invisible? Oh, it just... Huh, look at that. Get rid of you. Wow, okay. Let's fly. And let's go over here and see what this is. Where am I out on the map? I'm getting further and further away from home. And I don't want this episode to run too long. Alright, pause here if you want to read. Another treasure pod. What's this over here? Kitties. Jerks. Guys, they're invisible. You see that? They have a cloaking device. I thought at first it was a graphical error in the game. Oh, I wish I had more inventory slots in 4. I want to collect everything in this game. I do, I want to collect everything. Go on top of this mushroom to get a better look at things. There's a box up there that I'd like to break. Stony hen. What's that? A green apple. A mint. I've never seen that. I'd like to pick it up, but I'm not sure if I should. Toss all my carrots for that. Let's see, where should I go, guys? I can go this way to the left. That'll bring me even farther from home. It looks like I can go down. I actually don't think it wants me to fly that direction. A canopy? Don't want to fall in. A treasure pod here. All the nooks and crannies. Let's go up. Angry little beast. Jerk. Cool you off. Wow. I hope I can get back home. I can't tell if that's a teleporter or not, but I will be going there in a second. A pod right there. One of those lucky ones. Let's see. This map is very big. There's more of those fruit mangoes. I'm glad I didn't throw away my carrots. A box I can break. Oh, a honey slime. I gotta get out of here a little bit to get my health back. Oh. Go away. I thought I saw a water... like a water area. Yeah, right there. Water's always good to have in this game, now that I know what it's for. Alright, let's go through here. I'm on the other side. There's the yarn ball, guys. And this is the way up here. Can't collect those. There was a teleporter up here, guys. I want to get to it. I think a teleporter. No, but it reveals part of the map. It's quite good. Alright, let's go ahead and... let's see where the other place was. Over here. I know I'm not thoroughly exploring this area, guys, but... oh no, that's the way I came out. I know I'm not thoroughly exploring this, but... there's so much to look at over there. I'm gonna call what I have good, and I'm gonna head back. But, as I head back, I am definitely opening that last thing over there. So let's see. Come up here. I'm so far away from home, I gotta remember the way back. There we go. Last one, guys. Look. Oh, I got it! What's behind the door? Into the past. All that's lost is eventually found and lost once more. Oh, the music is much faster. Guys, I'm gonna activate this next episode. I'm not doing it today. I just can't. I'm gonna run over time. Oh, I can't wait though to actually do this. I want to be able to give my guys that I have now a place at home. I've got 2 new slimes today that I need to take home and actually give them a place. And I know that the hunter slime that I collected is a meat eater, I want to say. But to be honest, I'm not quite sure. I didn't read what the honey slime eats. Alright, how do you get back home? Take me home. I think I go through here. Uh-oh. Give me a second while I figure out where I am. There we go. Found the right way. So, like I was saying, I definitely want to build a place for my new little guys. My honey slime, my hunter slime. I'm actually pretty happy I've seen that hunter slime because he was cloaked. It's quite cool. Alright, let's take the fast way home. While you're away, achievement. Oh, let's do it. It looks like honey slime will be this one right here, 92 maybe? No, it's not. Only 50. Oh, there it is. Honey slime. Okay. Let's build a spot for the new guys, The new guys. Alright, so over here is where the cats are. These jerks, because they like to eat meat. Chickens. Oh, puddle slime. I'm gonna have to move you guys. Uh-oh. Where are you guys gonna go? You're unhappy anyway. You're miserable little things. I can just move you anyway. It doesn't matter. Alright, let's move the puddle slime. Demolish. Let's put our little puddle slime over here for now. Might not be the best area, but it will do. Well, they look happier now. Oh, never mind. I spoke too soon. They need something in there with them. And it says that their diet is water. Spray water at them. But they still look miserable, so whatever. Stay miserable. Let's put the hunter slime here. Let's do a corral. Let's do high walls. Let's do an air net. Not enough E-bucks. Ooh, look at that. Let's make money then. Need to make a little bit of money so that I can put down my 2 slimes. And I should have... let's see. You lazy birds still haven't given me any chicks. Alright, let's feed you jerks. Blew him right out. Alright, let's go over here. Let's collect these plorts. Get the heck out of here before I die. I built my pond over here. I definitely have enough money now, guys. There's no way. I can put my hunter slime down. I definitely want to put the air net though because I'm afraid that they'll jump out. And they could actually need something else, like a solar shield. Look, they're cloaking up. Well, no, they might not need a solar shield because I wasn't out at night. Look at that. I want a plort from them, though. It's my first hunter plort. So the hunter plort... 96! Well done. The last thing I want to get rid of... Bye, chicken. Is my honey slime. And if I have to take a guess that these are fruit eaters, I hope so. Otherwise... Yes! Thank goodness. I was gonna say, otherwise I really prioritized wrong. Alright, let's feed them up. Alright guys, and that's gonna do it for this episode of SlimeRancher. I've got 2 new slimes, and I managed to unlock that mysterious big door, which I will see what activating that does next time, in the next episode. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.